starting a business can be overwhelming for some people. What are some of the most common hurdles you hear from local entrepreneurs as far as when they're first walking through the door or they're coming to have those first few conversations with you?
Yeah, it's a great question because there are a lot of commonalities. People often feel like it's just them who's experiencing this challenge, but there are a lot of commonalities. So the big ones are usually if people are just thinking about starting a business, they're just not sure where to start. And they're convinced it must be very complicated, but they're just not sure. So they come in and just want to get a sense for, well, what do I need to do and what do I need to think about as I'm starting? And we can give them a path to help them get started. It's actually much easier than people would think. So it's usually those initial startup questions. And our other top two inquiries are usually about, is there any funding support or financial advice that's available to them? Because money is always a concern when you're starting a business and running a business. And the other one is often on marketing. Marketing is very challenging now. The whole digital marketing world, in addition to traditional media, it's quite a challenge, and it can feel a bit overwhelming for that small business owner that's often wearing all of the hats.
Earlier, when we were starting the show, I mentioned how you're offering this 6-week business planning webinar series that kicked off today. Can you tell us about those?
Yes. So I mentioned that we run a couple of grant programs on behalf of the province of Ontario. So one is called Starter Company Plus. The other one is called Summer Company, and that one's for youth aged 15 to 29. And in both cases, to apply for those grants, you need a business plan. For the youth program, it's a scaled down business plan. For the Starter Company Plus grant program, we do require a full business plan. And we ask for that in part because we need it to help evaluate the grant applications, but also because it's a really great thing to do when you're thinking about starting a business. So because we offer the grant programs and we're there to help entrepreneurs, learn the business world a bit, we have these business planning courses to help people get the foundational knowledge to work through what they want their new business to look like, and even if it's an existing business that they're maybe trying to reposition. So we offer a lot of business planning course options. And so the one that's kicking off today is a 6-part series. It's every Tuesday for the next 6 weeks. Over lunch hour, we're trying to accommodate people who are maybe juggling another job while they're trying to start their business. So it's a 6-part series that walks people through just all the basics of building a business plan, so that then if they want to apply for one of our grant programs, they're prepared for that when we open the grant window for Starter Company Plus in May.